Aman sat on the bench facing the park, his legs dangling. One of his hands rested on a pair of crutches by his side, while the other held a half-eaten apple. Okay, other hand से धरथिला गोटे apple. What are they doing today? He muttered to himself. Okay, so ताको निजु निजे कहिला. He muttered to himself. What are they doing today? Frowning. I have never seen the Tigers play so poorly before. For some reason, they seem to be very nervous. So what are they doing today? He muttered to himself. Okay, frowning. I have never seen the Tigers play so poorly before. Okay, what the Tigers were playing or not? Acha, the Tigers means a club, nahi? Huh? So play so poorly before. For some reason, they seem to be very nervous. Just then he heard a shout, "Out! Good fielding, buddy!" At the far end of the park, okay, far end of the park, they told good fielding. The park, acha. The lions in the red outfits, lions were in the red outfits. They were wearing red dress, hugging each other. Okay, because somebody was out, so they were hugging each other. They were embracing each other. Understood? The tigers in pale yellow looked dejected. Okay. The tigers in pale yellow, they were what was their dress? Red outfit. But they were pale yellow. The tigers in pale yellow looked dejected. Okay, they were just feeling sorry for something. So they do look dejected. Dejected means they were unhappy or disappointed. Understood? At this rate, they will lose. Thought Aman. Aman कौन कहला? ए रेट रे खेलिले they will lose. She brought the apple to his mouth to take another bite and suddenly heard an anxious yell. तापर से आउ गोटे बाइट नेला एवं पुणी सुनिला. कौन सुनिला? आउ गोटे anxious yell. Yell माने a frightened shout of warning. हला ताकू से सुनिला. Hey boy, look out, Doc. Doc means somebody has gone out and in a zero. Okay. Hey boy, look out, Doc. Startled. Startled माने चमकी पड़ला. Aman looked up. Aman छिड़ा आला. नहीं देखिला. Just in time to see a bright red cricket ball, okay, coming straight at him. Okay, bright red cricket ball coming straight at him. He dropped the apple and raised both hands. Raise माने बढ़ेला. कौन बढ़ेला? Both the hands बढ़ेला. Catching the ball neatly but losing his balance. Okay, catching the ball neatly but losing his balance. Okay, catching the ball neatly, भल से धइला, नीटली माने कौन भल से इन ए गुड वे इन ए गुड वे धरिला बट लूजिंग हिज balance but what he lost his balance means he fell down as Aman lay sideways on the bench still holding the ball he found a handsome face looking down at him okay आज ना इधर बंद कर दो ना आज अमन हाँ ठीक है सो आज अमन ले साइडवेज नहीं था आज अमन ले साइडवेज ओके ऑन द बेंच हाँ अमन ले मैंने कौन पड़ी थिला लाई लाई रु ले ऐसा नो लाई ले लेन लाई ले हैं आज अमन ले साइडवेज on the bench still holding the ball पुणी धरिछि he found a handsome face looking down at him he found a handsome face looking down at him से देखिला गोटे फेस handsome face ताड़ को अनिछि okay Are you all right? Taking the ball from him. ताकू कहला Are you all right? The cricketer sat next to him. तापरे बसिला भी से लोकटा कहला Are you all right? पुणी बसिला कंटिन्यू से कहला पुणी कौन कहूँ से क्रिकेटर कहूँ ताकू But that was a superb catch. Why don't you join us? से कहला बढ़िया कैच टा तो धइलो why don't you join us by now Aman had regained his balance Aman had regained ता बैलेंस से पाइगिरी पुणी बसलानी ठीक रे बैलेंस जो हरे दितला पाइगिरी बसले and looked at his companion देखिला with a puzzled expression हला puzzled expression puzzle है जाइची puzzled expression means a look of confusion understood with a puzzled expression I can't play see okay सेटा को देखेला a look of confusion so I can't play see से कहला देखो मैं खेली पारनी he tapped his crutches I can't play C ता crutches टा धरछि तो बाड़ीटा ताकू देखि कहला एमि बाड़े की tapped माने कोन बाड़ेबा to beat बुझ पालो However, I love to watch cricket. Wait, you look familiar. से कहला तुम्हें टिके जनाशुना देखा जाउछो familiar जानछो तो जनाशुना The stranger smiled. We have probably met on television or in a magazine. से कहला हाँ मते तमे टेलीविजन ने देखिथिबो We have probably met. हला we have met on television or in a magazine he stretched out his hand से to हाथ बढ़ेला handshake करिया पे stretched out handshake I am Mahendra Singh Dhoni Aman's face lit up माने lighted माने हमरा खुशी होला धोनी महेंद्र सिंह धोनी ऑफ कोर्स ओके से भी देखला हाँ रे भाई एटा देखा जाउची ए भलिया दे सुक हैंड्स सुक कहार पास टेंस अरे सुक कहार पास टेंस शेक रो कारो हलेवा हला दे सुक हैंड्स आई एम अमन आई एम सो यूज्ड टू seeing you with I am so used to seeing you with long hair. Okay, se कहला I am so used to seeing you with long hair that se कहला I am so used to seeing you. So used to seeing माने that it have to show that है so that लगेगा I am so used to seeing you that है I couldn't place you immediately. এটা गोटे so that है I am so used to I am so used to seeing you with long hair that I couldn't place you immediately. I couldn't place you. Mane I couldn't remember who you were. Okay. So that was so that use. Understood? I caught it. Se replied the Mahendra Singh Dhoni. I caught it short. Sometime back. Okay. ଏବେ ମୁଁ ଏଟା କାଟି ଦେଇଛି. ଧୋନି explained. Wow. ସେ କହିଲା wow. Wait till I tell my friends at school that I met you. ସେ ଖୁସି ହେଇ କହୁଛି wow. Wait till I wait କହିଲା. Said Aman. But I come here every day and I have never seen you before. ହେଲା ସେ କହୁଛି ମହେନ୍ଦ୍ର ସିଂ ଧୋନି କୁ I come here every day. ମୁଁ ସବୁଦିନ ଏଠିକି ଆସେ. I come every day. But I have never seen. ମୁଁ ତମକୁ କେବେ ଦେଖିନି. I came to help the Lions. Their captain is a friend of mine. ସେ କହୁଛି ମାନେ ଲାୟନ କୁ ମୁଁ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡ करे ମାନେ ହେଲ୍ପ କରିବାକୁ ଆସିଥିଲି Lions. Their captain is a friend of mine. Oh, said Aman. Listen, I will be back in a minute. कौची के महेंद्र सिंह धोनी. The boys have stopped their game. ହେଲା boys ଆଉ ଖେଳୁନାହାନ୍ତି. ମୁଁ ଯାଏ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଟିକେ ଦେଖିକିରି ଆସେ. Right? Okay. So ତାପରେ କଣ କଲା ଧୋନି ran across the ground. Ground କୁ cross କରି ଗଲା. Ran across the ground. Said something to the players. Player କିଛି କହିଲା. Then jogged back to Aman. ପୁଣି ତାପରେ ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ଚାଲିକିରି ଆସିଲା. Back to Aman. Jogging କରନ୍ତିନି ସକାଳୁ. So jogged back. Jogging କରି କରି ଆସିଲା. ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ଚାଲିକି ଆସିଲା. ହେଲା ତ Aman. Who was beaming with delight. ତାକୁ ତ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଛି. Now he is more anxious. Who was beaming with delight. Who was happy with delight. Beaming. ହେଲା beaming ମାନେ କଣ happy with delight. As they delight ମାନେ କଣ ଆନନ୍ଦ. As they sat together on the bench, Aman offered Dhoni an apple from his bag. ତା ବ୍ୟାଗ ରେ ତ apple ଆଣିଥିଲା ତାକୁ ଦେଲା. As they sat together on the bench. ହେଲା Aman offered Dhoni କଣ ମାନେ apple. Offered ମାନେ ତାକୁ ଯାଚିଲା. ହେଲା Here Mr. Dhoni have an apple. ତାକୁ ଯାଚୁଛି. ହେଲା have an apple. ଗୋଟେ apple ନିଅ. Thanks said Dhoni. And please call me Mahi. ସେ କହିଲା please call me Mahi. ହେଲା and that is what all my friends call me. She ruffled Aman's hair. See, he ruffled Aman's hair. Aman's hair को ruffle कला. ठीक है खाउसी देला. So Aman, why the crutches? Asked Mahi. अरे crutch कहीं use करछो? Oh, I have had them. किए कहूची Aman? Oh, I have had them. ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ପାଇଛି କେବେ? Since I was 4 class. I was 4. Car accident. Okay. I don't mind them really. Except that I can't play cricket. ମୁଁ କ୍ରଚ୍ ୟୁଜ କରୁଛି ବୋଲି ମାଇଣ୍ଡ କରୁନି, କିନ୍ତୁ ଓନ୍ଲି ମାଇଣ୍ଡ କରୁଛି that except that I can't play cricket. I'm only minding for that. I think about it all the time. I think about it. ତାକୁ ମୁଁ ଏ ବିଷୟରେ ଭାବେ ବେଳେ ବେଳେ ହେଲା ବେଳେ ବେଳେ ଭାବେ but never mind me. ସେ କହୁଛି ମୋ କଥା ଟିକେ ମାଇଣ୍ଡ କରିବୁନି never mind me. Will you give me your autograph? ଟିକେ ମତେ ଅଟୋଗ୍ରାଫ ଟା ଦବ କି? Aman quickly took out, bahar kala, a diary from his bag and gave it to Mahi. Bag ta dela Mahi ku. Write your date of birth also, please. ତାକୁ ସେ କହୁଛି ଯେ ତମ ଡେଟ୍ ଅଫ ବାର୍ଥ ଟା ଲେଖିଦବ ବୋଲି ମାହି କୁ କହିଲା, ମହେନ୍ଦ୍ର ସିଂ ଧୋନି କୁ। when Mahi handed it back to him, ମାହି ତାକୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଲା ହେଲା କୋଉଟା ସେଇ ଡାଏରୀଟା ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଲା, understood? it read, ଏଥିରେ କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଥିଲା? ମହେନ୍ଦ୍ର ସିଂ ଧୋନି 7 July 1981 ହେଲା ଲେଖା ହେଇଥିଲା। where were you born? asked Aman. Aman ତାକୁ ପଚାରିଲା, ସେ କହିଲା in Ranchi, that is in Jharkhand. Mahi explained. You have been awarded a Padma Shri and the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna award. The question पचारुछि, you have been awarded, तुमको अवार्ड दिया जाइछि हैला, तुमे उठो सार बसिबे अच्छा एडिए। So you have been awarded a Padma Shri and the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna award. Mahi smiled. Said Hasina. Yes, it is an honor to receive the 4th highest civilian award from the government of India. जोटा सिविलियन अवार्ड किए ना पद्मश्री। ओके, 4th हाईएस्ट सिविलियन अवार्ड। बाय द वे got a phrase, you seem to keep a lot of updates on me. से कहला you seem to keep a lot of updates, तमे मो विषय बहुत की जानिचो lot of updates. I love the way you play. Aman said excitedly. कहला तमे बढ़िया खेलो। I love the way you play. The way you play. I love this. Such wonderful batting and effective wicket keeping. Okay, effective wicket keeping. Effective means works well. What is the secret of your success? How are you doing this? Okay, Mahi scratched his head. ता मुंडटा टी खचवच गला हैला, स्क्रैच कुंडेला, read it thoughtfully, भाबिला। You said sometime back that you think of cricket all the time. Mahi ताऊ कहला, you said sometime back that you think of cricket. You are thinking of cricket all the time. But when I was in school, I didn't know a thing about cricket. महेंद्र सिंह कहला जे ମୁଁ ତ କ୍ରିକେଟ ବିଷୟରେ କିଛି ଜାଣିନଥିଲି, ଶୁଣି ମାନେ ସ୍କୁଲ ରେ ଥିଲା ବେଳେ କ୍ରିକେଟ ବିଷୟରେ I didn't know a thing about cricket. କ୍ରିକେଟ କିଏ କଣ ଖେଳୁଛି ଆଉ ଜାଣିନି। Really asked Aman, unable to believe his ears. अरे तुमେ ଜାଣିନଥିଲ କିନ୍ତୁ କ୍ରିକେଟ ଏତେ ବଡ ଷ୍ଟାର ହେଇଗଲ? Yes, I was good at badminton and football and had played at the district level. ତେଣୁ ସେ district level ରେ ବି badminton ଖେଳିଛି। I was the goalkeeper of our football team. Then one day, my football coach told me to become the wicket keeper. ହେଲା, ସେ ମତେ କଣ କହିଲା, wicket keeper for one match. And I had never played cricket before. ମୁଁ କ୍ରିକେଟ ଖେଳି ନଥିଲି, ମତେ ମୁଁ ଗୋଲକିପର ଥିଲି, ଫୁଟବଲ କୋଚ ମତେ କହିଲା ତୁ ଟିକେ wicket keeper. Wow, gasped Aman. Gasped माने निश्वास जेंति रही जिबा, हैला। I soon got interested in the game in the game माने which game? Cricket game. And practiced hard. है मैं बहुत practice करी. Now I am here. मैं आज जो position में अच्छी because of that. He's shrugged. है shrugged लिखा है Oh. When did you make your test debut? Debut. Debut माने कौन? First starting match. First public appearance of a performer or sports player. So when did you make your test debut? I mean first केबे खेलना test. Asked someone. Curious to know more of the story. Okay. So he was very curious, he was very anxious, he was very interested to know about this story. Let me think, said Mahi. My first international test match was in December 2005. Okay, India versus Sri Lanka. Okay, 2005 में से खेला. In a few years, you have created so many records. Aman exclaimed. Aman exclaimed. माने आश्चर्य. Exclaimed है कि कहवा. इतने कम दिन मितरे इतने record कलो. I remember in your 2005 match against Pakistan, you scored 148 runs, the highest ever for a wicket keeper. So any wicket keeper has a made score of 148 runs. Yes. Then I bet. It a bet habo. Okay, beat habo bet. And beat or past tense भी bet. Beat bet. Say eka spelling eka. So I bet that record latter. So कहला मु निजे तार record भांगी I bet that record in a match against Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka को मु से record टा Sri Lanka संगरे भांगी केते करछि. The new world record is for any wicket keeper. For a wicket keeper is 183. But these things should not go to one's head. किंतु एड़ा सणे चिंता करिया कथा न खेलिया कथा. ओके एड़ा होची चिंता करले बाजी जिंस होला. Mahi then looked at his watch and joked. ହେଲା से गोटे जोक करी कहला. कोन कहला? Now I have joke करिया जानछ तो. जोक रे कहला माने थट्टा रे कहला. कोन कहला? I have set a new record for chatting away and missing my workout. कहला तो संगे एते गपिलेनी मोर गोटे रेकॉर्ड हे गला. ହେଲା so chatting away तो संगे गपी करी मोर रेकॉर्ड हे गलानी. Missing my workout एते समय मो कामटा करिया बंद कर देलेनी सेटा भी गोटे रेकॉर्ड हे गला. ହେଲା सेटु कहला बाय अमन. आज माही walked away पळेला. walked away पळेला. पळेला. A rush of faces appeared before Aman. गुड़े लोक आसिले. Rush of faces, lot of people came. 5 boys were peering at him closely. 5 जन लोक पिला ताको एक्चुअली देखुथिले. सेना आसिले ताको. Look, there is a red bruise on his head. Okay, से कहले गोटे red bruise. Maybe that is where the ball hit him, one boy said. Bruce man गोटे फुली जाइछि. हैला. Look, there is a red bruise on his head. So टिके bruise गोटे हे जाइछि. माने मार हे जाइछि. Maybe that is where the ball hit. Ball बोधे हे जाइछि. Actually से बॉल टा कैच दछि. तळे पडिछि. ता मुंडुडा बाजिछि. हैला. The one boy said, wait, he is regaining consciousness. गोटे पिला कहला जे तार बोधे कॉन्शियस एबे आसिला. चेता टिके आसुछि. he is moving. Another boy said, exclaimed. हैला से कहला. Aman opened his eyes fully and tossed his throbbing forehead. Okay. Aman opened his eyes fully. से ता आई को पूरा ओपन कला. तापरे टच कला तार forehead को. throbbing forehead. अच्छा. There was a big bomb on it. Actually गोटे माड हो जाइछि भूली जाइछि हैला. Where is Mahi? He asked puzzled. Actually से चित्ता बढ़ जाइछि एला स्वप्न नहीं हैला. हां हैला. Mahi, a boy answered. There is no Mahi here. Hope that ball didn't hit you too hard. हैला से कहला जे बॉल बेसी जोर तोते बाजिनी बोले. You were unconscious. कहला चित्ता बढ़ जाइथिलु for 2 minutes. Come, I will take you home. चल मु तोते नै जिबी हैं. Aman nodded. हैला. A strange smile on his face. His head hot. हैला. His head hot. ता head को काटिला but then he had met Mahi. His head hot but then he had met Mahi. So what if in a dream? Then se कहला a dream रे. What if in a dream the feeling had been real enough? से स्वप्न देखिछि. His head hot. ता head बाजरे बाजिला but then he had met Mahi. किंतु head hot है चेता बुझी माई की भेटिला स्वप्न रे हैला. So what if in a dream? Dream में भी हो कौन है असुविधा है खुशी हैला. What if in a dream? The feeling had been real enough. Feeling तो ताकू पूरा सत्य भलिया लागुछि हैला. Feeling had been real enough. Real भलिया लागुछि हैला. The story is like this. Understood? You are not really met Mahi, but in a dream. Okay. So you will do the question and